If you're a YouTuber, you know that the longest part of editing can often be making your thumbnails. Thumbnails just take so long to design, to get them right, to upload them, and also to make 3 different variations now to A/B test them. So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to use a free AI tool, which will automatically generate insanely clean, stylized thumbnails for you in just minutes. And yes, it's completely free to try out, and you don't need Photoshop or any third-party apps. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so right now we're inside of Photoshop. I need to make a new thumbnail for my podcast episode. So I just interviewed Jackson Visuals. He's this crazy director and videographer, right? And I just want to make a thumbnail that encases and encapsulates everything from the podcast. Now I have an unlisted YouTube video link as well, which we'll be using later. So you don't have to have a YouTube link, but I just want to add some thumbnail elements first, right? I know he edits on DaVinci Resolve. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab, an image of the DaVinci Resolve logo. And I'm just going to kind of put it behind, I'm going to put it behind the background just like that. Now you don't need to go crazy with this, but I recommend just doing a quick rough mock-up. Now I also know I want to have a timeline background, maybe some video editing timeline in the background. So maybe we'll do something like this, a timeline. And I'm kind of just drawing really basic rough outline right here, and I'm going to put this behind him like that. And I know for a fact that I also want to have a text that says get clients, right? So I want it to say, we'll move this up here, and I want it to say get clients, just like that. Cool. Okay, and now I'm just going to go and add a drop shadow. So now we can go ahead and literally take this export. I'm going to go ahead and hit file, export this as a quick PNG image. So now we're going to hop on the web and we're going to go to AutoEditAI.net. We're going to go to the tools tab, and we have a free AI tool which automatically generates thumbnails based off of rough cut thumbnails just like this, right? So I literally go ahead and just click upload the rough draft of the thumbnail. You can see we can upload this rough draft like that. And then I want the video title to be called how to get clients like a pro featuring at Jackson's Visuals. Something like that. And then we can go ahead and type the video topic, which is about video editing. And then we can also go ahead, and the cool thing about this is we can go to our YouTube studio and we can literally just copy some of the links from an unlisted link of the podcast. So I could go ahead and get that shareable link. As you can see, there's no podcast thumbnail right there because we're making it. And then I go ahead and paste the unlisted link right here. And the cool thing is there's a bunch of preset creator styles. So I can do a viral style, like Mr. Beast style stuff, podcast clips, SaaS tutorial style, or cinematic. I'm going to do podcast style because it's obviously a podcast. And then we literally just go ahead and click generate thumbnail. Now it's going to go ahead and generate this thumbnail for us. And we're just going to go ahead and wait for it to load. And guys, just watch this. This part is crazy because the fact that I would have, and boom, just like that, it's done. And you can see we got our image. We can go ahead and save this image. We're going to call this let's call this demo thumbnail. And voila, just like that, look at that. We got this crazy thumbnail result. It has automatically added a bunch of lighting, shadows. It's added the images and icons in the background. And it's even added a bunch of light wrapping around him. And it looks super realistic and just honestly like a viral podcast thumbnail. This looks like it would go viral. How to get clients underline. Oh my gosh. So crazy. So crazy the fact that this was made with AI. So I've linked down to the AI thumbnail generator down below at AutoEditAI.net. It's in the free tools section. And also for those of you who are video editors, we also have an AI Claude powered plugin there, which automatically cuts out the bad takes of all your recordings and your podcast clips, your YouTube videos, your Instagram Reels, your TikToks, any video where you have mess ups or repeats. It will use Claude to understand what your video is about, and it'll cut out the bad takes for you directly inside of Premiere Pro. So you don't have to go switch to another browser app or download and upload a bunch of footage. It works all entirely inside of Premiere Pro, just directly from your timeline using Claude. So if you want to check it out, I've linked down to it below at AutoEditAI.net. The plugin is completely free to try out. And also while you're there, you might as well just try and make some free thumbnails using this free thumbnail generator tool. If you have any questions, let us know. And if you want to learn more about how you can automatically edit your content like YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and podcast clips inside of Premiere Pro using the AI Auto Edit plugin, then you can check out this video linked right here.